After watching this video, you will know how to use Smart Arts in Word. To insert a Smart Art, we go to the Insert tab and click on Smart Art. By default, all available Smart Arts are shown, but we can limit the selection by choosing a specific category. So if we want to represent a hierarchy, we choose this category and then we pick a design that we like. After the Smart Art is implemented, we can insert text into the fields. But of course, we can also change the layout of the Smart Art. When we select it, we will see a little arrow on the left side of the Smart Art. After clicking on this arrow, we have access to the structure of the whole object. As you might have guessed, the indentation of the bullet points determines their location in the design. So the higher the indentation, the lower is the level in the design of the hierarchy. If we want to change the level of a bullet point, we need to click on its line, go to the Smart Art tools and there to the Design tab. Now we can either click on Promote to move the entry upwards in the hierarchy, or we click on Demote and the entry will move to the bottom of the hierarchy. Inside a same level of the hierarchy, we can also move the objects up or down by using the corresponding buttons. Now of course we sometimes need to add more entries to the Smart Art. For that we can either click into the structure of the Smart Art where we want to add another entry and then press the Enter key, or we click on Add Shape. The next thing I want to show you is how we can change the design of the Smart Art. First of all, we can change the whole layout of the Smart Art in the Layout section. Then we can also change the style, and here we can even choose a 3D style if we want. Through the Change Colors button, a predefined set of color themes can be accessed. But of course it is possible to change each Smart Art block individually. For that we select a block, then we go to the Format tab, and here we can change the whole layout and the style of the block. The procedure is the same as for shapes, since a Smart Art is basically a set of arranged shapes. This means that we can also move a single block of the Smart Art by dragging it, for example. When we click on the outer border of the whole Smart Art, we can furthermore change the formatting of the background. So now you know how to insert Smart Arts in Word, how to change their hierarchy structure, their layout and their design. Watch the other videos to learn more about objects in Word.